There. I'm really excited because somebody wrote into the comments questioning whether in the previous brain teaser, 2 to the 2 to the x could actually be rewritten as 4 to the x and proceed from there. Their feeling was that the first step had to be to work outside in from the exponents and make that 2 to the 2x. So I thought, great, there's a new brain teaser. Let's check it out. Are those two the same thing? Let's look. Okay, so we are exploring whether 2 to the 2 to the x can be evaluated as 4 to the x, or whether it has to be evaluated first as 2 to the 2x. Well, let's first start with where did I come up with 2 to the 2x? So the rules of exponents say when I'm raising a power to a power, I do multiplication between those two exponents. So the base would stay the same, but I would multiply the two exponents. So that's where we get 2 to the 2x. And in the previous video, I had said, well, let's start with 2 to the 2 and then raise that to the x. So the question is, are these the same thing? Well, 4 to the x means 4 times itself x times, and 2 to the 2x means 2 times itself 2x times. So since I can't write x times out, I'm going to do a let statement to explore. And I'll do a let statement that's different than the one in the problem to check it out. So I'm going to say let x equal 3. And now let's check this out. So 4 to the 3 means 4 times 4 times 4. And 2 to the 2 times 3, well, 2 times 3 is 6. So that means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, I see that those 2's can multiply together to create 4's. And so 4 to the x and 2 to the 2x are the same thing. And it doesn't matter in this case whether you start by raising this to a power and then raising that whole thing to this power, or whether you start by using the power rule of exponents that says when you're raising to a power, you multiply, and that makes that 2 to the 2x. So thank you so much for writing in and asking that question. I love math explorations. I definitely want you to point it out if I've done something incorrectly. And meanwhile, thank you for helping us all grow. Take a look at these other videos to keep teasing your brain, and consider subscribing to my channel so that you can know when I put a new video out so you can keep on mathing.